again, bakit hindi siya mag-encourage ng impunity among the ranks? Why do you think it will not?
Bakit?
Bakit hindi siya, why are you disputing yung criticisms ng iba that it might, observations ng iba that the move might promote or encourage impunity among the ranks because they can do, they can
Parang they can
have an
get away
offense,
with
di naman pala sila mali-dismiss.
Well, pinakita mo natin na gumana yung justice system natin, di ba? Tumatakbo. Eh, that's normal. Kung yung drug poser o drug lord, may kiniklaim sila na due process. Eh, bakit hindi natin pwede ibigay doon sa pulis? Binuwaan siya sa due process. Then after the due process, ito ngayon ang natamo niya, hindi pa rin natin matanggap-tanggap. So, what's the difference between a law enforcer at saka yung isang drug lord o drug poser? Pareho lang naman silang tao na they can avail due process. At lahat ng pwede lang ma-avail being a Filipino. Pwede lang ma-avail yun. So, the avail of everything, o lahat ng legal remedies, tumakbo, yung justice system natin, pinatakbo. Here comes, dito ngayon, itong naging decision, bakit hindi natin matanggap? Diba?
Sir,
As far as impunity, pag sinasabi mong impunity, hindi mangyayari. Hindi mangyayari siya.
Sir,
Sige lang, silang I will exhaust everything I can do, humanly possible, to you know, to conquer impunity sa imagination ninyo. Kung meron mga impunity.